my surprise for y'all. 1999 Honda Accord coupe. You know what I'm saying? It's a coupe. Oh, we about to take off. Look. Now, I'm going to talk to y'all about this, though. But, yeah. That sucker sound good. You hear that? Dang, that sucker sound good. It sound good in reverse. Oh, yeah. Dang, it sound good, don't it? I'm gonna talk to y'all about the Honda Accord, man. I got a little surprise coming in for y'all, man. I'm gonna do this. Dang, bro, that sucker sound good now. It sound good every time, y'all. Damn, y'all heard that? Ooh, Easky. Now though, y'all know what's up, man. I got the 1999 Honda Accord coupe. You know what I'm saying? It's looking real good.